In this video, I will be showing you how to install Node.js on Mac. So let's get started. First thing, just search for Node.js. We'll be having the official link from nodejs.org. Just select it. Here, just select Get Node.js. And here we can select the Node.js version which we want to install. And if you scroll down, by default it will be automatically configured for you. You need to just simply click on macOS installer. The download will be getting started. It is around 87 MB in size, so just be patient. And also make sure that it's the right architecture. If you are having a Apple Silicon, it will be ARM for you. If you are using a Intel one, it will be x64 for you. Once the download is complete, just open it. And we'll be getting the install Node.js setup. And two things will be installed. One is Node.js and another one is npm, which is the Node package manager. Just click on continue. This is the license agreement. You can read it through. Click on continue. Agree. If you want to change the location, you can change it. I am fine with this. If you click customize, you will be able to choose if you only want npm or Node.js. I am fine with this. I will just click on install. Just enter your laptop password and select install software. Once it is done, we will be getting completed successfully. Just click on close and you can simply move it to bin. Now to check if it has been installed perfectly, go to apps and open your terminal. Here just run the command node space ---- version, and I am getting the node version, and I will type npm space ---- version. I'm getting the npm version also. If I just type node, I'll be getting the node shell. Here we can run some simple JavaScript code. So let me go with console.log. That will be printed. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.